Trending news. Richard Gere shocks Savannah Guthrie with an obscene gesture during live interview on Today. My hand did that. I have no control. This is how actor Richard Gere explained the incident. Just a day after Cher dropped an F-bomb live on air with Hoda Kotb, it was Richard Gere's turn to make headlines during his Wednesday, November 20th, interview with Savannah Guthrie. The conversation took an unexpected turn when Gere raised his middle finger, leaving Guthrie stunned as she exclaimed, "You just made an obscene gesture on this family morning show. I'm bleeping you." Gere later clarified that the gesture was part of a scene from his new espionage thriller, The Agency, which had been shown earlier in the segment. However, the network had cut the clip right before the gesture appeared, prompting Gere to reenact it live. "That's what I did in the scene, but you didn't show it fully, so it didn't make sense to me." About the series, The Agency is an adaptation of the French series The Bureau, and it follows a CIA agent, played by Michael Fassbender, who struggles to adjust after being forced to abandon his undercover identity. The show features an impressive cast, including Jeffrey Wright, Catherine Waterston, and Jodie Turner-Smith. Gere shared that he agreed to join the project after watching the original series with his wife, Alejandra Silva. The show is incredibly well written. It felt like we were making a movie thanks to the high production quality. Release date. The Agency premieres on November 29th on Paramount Plus Showtime. Today airs weekdays on NBC at 7 a.m. Eastern Time.